Welcome to Exploring Pika Labs. Over the weekend I had some time checking it out. It's not that complex yet compared to Midjourney. Good news is it's in beta, so they made it completely free. Just go to Pika Labs right here, click on join beta, and you will be redirected to the Discord server, and then you end up here. The FAQ and getting started are the places where you should look first. It's somewhat similar to Midjourney. You have these generate rooms where you can create videos. Prompt is a little bit different. It uses /create and they have parameters, but they only use one minus sign. So aspect ratio wouldn't be -AR, but just -AR. In Pika Labs, here's the FAQ. You can find good information that gets you started. Let me close this. One thing that I can already give you as a good tip is don't go to the generate channels and create your videos instead. Go to the members list right here, make sure that it's shown. Then right click on Pika, the bot, and then left click on message. And this will open up a direct message with the Pika bot. I have it right here already in my direct messages. So when you have that open, you should now see the Pika bot here in your direct messages, and here you can create a video and you basically have your own feed then, and you don't have to search for generations. Let me prompt dancing robots -AR 16:9, and then it runs just like Midjourney. We have 3 buttons here. I'm going to go over them once we've got something to work on, and there's an up and a down button for like and dislike. Here's our result. It's a 3-second clip. If you like it, upload it. If you dislike it, then dislike. This is the recycle button, which uses the same prompt and recreates it. Up next to it is kind of like a remix, where it will be regenerated, but you can adjust the prompt. For example, let me use the parameter camera and then pan left, and I'll submit. So now we have the same prompt being generated again and the same prompt remixed with a new parameter. While it does, let us go to Midjourney, and I have this image of a dancing robot 16:9, and I saved this. Now we'll get back to Pika. I have it in my direct messages, and here the first dancing robot variation is finished. A little bit better. And here the second one, where we've added camera pan left, is now also done. If you're wondering what the X means, you can delete videos by clicking on it. Now let me prompt it again, but this time I click on +1 more. And then image options will show up. Left click on it, and now I can drag and drop images into it. I use the Midjourney image of this robot right here. And then I prompt again, dancing robot -AR 16:9. And let us add a camera panning to the left as well. I confirm via enter, and this is now going to use this image as a reference. So I'll open it right here. Here's our results. Once again, here was the image, and it has used the style to create its own video. It's not perfect, as you can see, things are falling apart a little bit. I'll use this recycle button, but this is the way Pika works. In principle, you can download every video right here when you hover over your video on the top right, and then you've got an MP4. Double click on it and it runs in the media player. I'm going to make a couple of videos more about this in the following days, but it's not as complex as Midjourney right now, so it's just a handful of videos to cover the basics, and then you've got it all covered what's currently possible with Pika Labs. Second video, let me run it. It's a little bit better, not perfect, but this is the principle behind it. As I've said, currently it's in beta, so they've got it free. I'm pretty sure that in the future it's going to cost you money. But for now you can check it out without having to pay anything. I'm going to link to it in the video description below. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.